Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to flip an image in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now click on this plus icon over here. Now you can choose any of this format you want. Let's go for phone wallpaper for now. Now click on this plus sign and you can choose any of this image or add new. So let's go for this one. Now tap on the picture. Now if you scroll, we can see this flip option over here. So let's tap on this. Here you can choose any of this. You can flip horizontal or vertical. Let's go for horizontal. Now let's go for vertical. So this is it. Now to save it, you can simply tap on this icon over here. So let's tap on this and the image will be saved. So this is it. This is how you can flip an image in Canva. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.